Hello all and namaste. Having come across body stiffness very commonly lately, I thought of sharing in some information with you all. So let's see it step by step. Body stiffness is या कोई भी condition को diagnose करने से पहले we need to know why does it occur, how does it occur, what is its background, some information related to it, correct? So if you have seen my previous video, I shared a summary. उसमें मैंने आपको एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया था कि वीडियो जिसके बारे में आज हम इन डिटेल समझेंगे कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज़ बॉडी स्टिफनेस और मॉर्निंग स्टिफनेस. पहले ये कंडीशन जो है बॉडी स्टिफनेस दैट वाज सीन ओनली आफ्टर अ सर्टेन एज, रफली अराउंड मे बी 40-50 ईयर्स के बाद. बट आजकल ये काफ़ी कॉमन हो गई है. आजकल यंगस्टर्स मे बी 25 ईयर्स और 20 ईयर्स से ये शुरू हो जाती है. सुबह उठते से एक स्टिफनेस रहती है एंड द बॉडी दे फील अ स्टिफनेस अराउंड द नेक रीजन और द शोल्डर्स और द बैक, लोअर बैक. दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन दीज डेज. क्यों ऐसा है? बिकॉज द चेंजेस दैट वी हैव ब्रॉट इन द लाइफस्टाइल में हमने काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस कर दिए हैं, जैसे कि इम्प्रॉपर पॉस्चर, मतलब एक ही पॉस्चर में बैठे रहते हैं हम फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, वर्किंग और कुकिंग और रीडिंग और वॉचिंग टेलीविजन, मैनी थिंग्स अराउंड. ऑल्सो स्लीपिंग हैबिट्स followed by eating habits, oily, spicy, processed food more rather than the natural and the homemade food. Also, mainly that is lack of exercise. So this being one of the major reasons. We all must be wondering, right, कि इतने छोटे छोटे yet simple things, how can they affect our body, like our health, like stiffness to occur? Let me tell you how. Well, our body is made or designed to function optimally at a certain temperature, in a certain environment, under specific conditions. And having altered those conditions, we are pressurizing or burdening our body, our health, to function according to our own terms without taking care of it until and unless it completely gives up or breaks down. For this, we need to keep very simple yet effective things in our mind. To begin with, the first most important one is the food that goes in our body. Well, the food that we eat is what our body is made up of. So the diet should be balanced and wholesome, inclusive of all the minerals, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and water. So one very important mineral being magnesium. Well, it is seen according to the research that magnesium deficient individuals experience more cramps and spasm in their body. Well, to enlist a few products which are high in magnesium are beans, leafy vegetables, and let me tell you that more darker the chocolate is, that is dark chocolate over milk chocolate, is beneficial. Because जैसे जैसे मिल्क चॉकलेट को प्रोसेस किया जाता है वैसे ही उसमें से जो रिक्वायर्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स या जो एंजाइम्स है विच आर एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड बाय आवर बॉडी, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वॉश्ड ऑफ, आई मीन रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्ट. एंड हेंस prefer dark chocolate more over white chocolate or milk chocolate. And similar is the case in the beans. Darker the beans, more is the magnesium content. You can also find supplements for the same, and try consuming lesser processed and canned foods and more of natural and homemade products. Works for me. Take short breaks in between. Take a break to break the stress. What I mean is stretch often and ease out the stress. So what you can do is for this, that walk, stroll around, like you can change your posture every 40-45 minutes. You can get up, go for a walk, just have some water or fluids and eat around some healthy foodstuffs and come and get back to your work. By this habit, you can maintain a healthy proper posture and just not sit at the same place in the same posture for longer duration. Stretch so that the muscles get back to a healthy way and they can get back to work, and you can work in a better way. It is okay if you are unable to do the exercises mentioned in this video. आप जो exercise कर रहे हैं आप वो continue कर सकते हैं if you are unable to perform the exercises that I've mentioned in the video. जो भी आप exercise pattern follow करते हैं, do it regularly, minimum 3 to 4 times a week. अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं तो इस चीज़ पे भी फोकस कीजिए कि आपकी बॉडी को सफिशिएंट रेस्ट मिल रहा है. दैट इज़ फॉलोड बाय, और व्हाट आई मीन इज़ एक अच्छा स्लीप पैटर्न, सही स्लीप पैटर्न होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. We have changed the sleep cycle. Like previously, people used to sleep around 7 to 8 hours comfortably and used to have a very sound sleep. They used to go to bed maybe around 10 o'clock or 9:30, 10, and they used to wake up early in the morning. But all this has changed over a period of time. People go to bed at 2 and they wake up early because they have work lined up and pending. So this has made people to stress more, and they have, it has ultimately which is leading to a very unhealthy life. So this thing should be taken care of. Have a very efficient and good sleeping habit, which will in turn help you a lot by remaining fit and healthy. The temperature changes that are occurring in the environment affects a lot on our body. Like internally, the system has to adapt. Okay, so to the changing environment outside, like which is called as homeostasis. Homeostasis maintain करने के लिए body को एक preparation करनी पड़ती है to maintain its optimal level, and so that the balance is not hindered by or hampered by the environment, and hence it is shown outside by through our muscles, the body stiffening around, and so on. So इसके लिए what we also add up to the problem is the sleeping habits that we have. Like we switch on the AC or we sleep under fan, high speed fans, and which causes the body to stiffen more. So this thing should be taken care of and kept in mind. So before going to bed, you can make a habit of stretching and sleeping. This will help you have a sound sleep and without any interruptions in between. And when you wake up in the morning, you will feel the stiffness is reduced, and you feel fresh and active and energetic. The lethargy जो रहती है एक बॉडी में, आलस जो हमें पकड़ के रखता है उठने से, that will reduce. So do make these small changes and you yourself feel the difference. While doing those exercises that I've just mentioned with you all, keep one thing in mind: to completely relax your muscles, your body, to ease out the tension. आपको एकदम रिलैक्स होके सारी एक्सरसाइजेस करनी है so that you feel the relaxation within your body and focus completely on your breath, your breathing pattern. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. ये करने से ऑटोमेटिकली आप अपने बॉडी को रिलैक्स करते हैं. सो डू लाइक विद अलॉन्ग विद द एक्सरसाइजेस, ये एक चीज़ अपने माइंड में रखिए और आप सारे एक्सरसाइजेस कीजिए. स्ट्रेचिंग बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड विल डेफिनेटली, यू योरसेल्फ विल एक्सपीरियंस द डिफरेंस. सो अभी हमने देखा कि मैंने इन डेप्थ कुछ टॉपिक्स पे क्लियरली अच्छे से एलैबोरेट करके आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है, एंड सम ऑफ देम आर रिमेनिंग जो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्लियर करूँगी. तो इस वीडियो में हमने कुछ टिप्स देखे, कुछ चेंजेस देखे हैं जो हमें लाइफस्टाइल में इंक्लूड करने हैं. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन डू क्लिक ऑन द लाइक बटन बिलो, and also if you feel like it is useful then do share it with your loved and closed ones, also with them who are in need of this video. जो जिन्हें मॉर्निंग स्टिफनेस या स्टिफनेस की प्रॉब्लम हमेशा रहती है, आप उनके साथ ये शेयर कर सकते हैं so that they also get to know about it in detail and they can change those little things which are later very helpful. So do the needful and subscribe to the channel if you are a new viewer, and stay tuned. Also you can click on the bell icon below so that you keep getting the notifications in future, and stay healthy, stay fit.